time of the year, I don't want to waste my time on such inane ideas from the House. Sayang lang ang panahon ko.
Sir, the House has passed the budget on third and final reading, but after passing the budget, it is only then that they would accept individual amendments.
Totally anomalous, because the third reading copy is a printed copy and is supposed to that is the by law and by the Constitution. What you vote on third reading is a printed copy. In fact, you cannot vote on third reading unless there are 3 days would have lapsed. Precisely, the 3 days is to allow you, or the legislators, to go over the printed copy, and that should reflect what was passed on second reading. The third reading is a printed copy. I do not think that that's a procedure.